Welcome to lesson number 5, cold starting a motorcycle using the Find C method. F is for fuel. Check that the fuel selection lever is turned to the on position. I is for ignition. Turn the ignition key to the on position and watch for any indicator lights that will come on to let you know the ignition is turned on. N is for neutral. If you notice the neutral light is not turned on, use the gear selector to put the motorcycle transmission into neutral position. E is for emergency, or also known as engine kill switch. Make sure the engine switch is turned to the on or run position. C is for choke. If your motorcycle is so equipped, you will need to put the choke into the full on position when the engine is cold in order to start the motorcycle. You are now ready to start the motorcycle. Pull in the clutch for safety and push the starter button in order to start the motorcycle.